In other news, employers are facing a burnout crisis as chronic workplace stress and exhaustion hammers workers. A study of more than 36,000 professionals found that 2 in 5 workers are at high risk of burnout, and 61% of technology users are reportedly addicted to the internet and can't seem to turn it off as they're using it as a coping mechanism. Hear more on this and ways to consciously unplug from the internet from cybersecurity experts and burnout counselors and therapists at this year's second annual Internet Safety Tech Symposium, scheduled to be held June 19th through the 21st. Back to you.